Hello friends, I am Aninda Datya and today I will show you how to install Xampp in Windows. So Xampp is basically a software that have Apache module and MySQL module that will help us to create web server in Windows. Type Xampp, Xampp, hit enter. So here you have the first link, apachefriends.org, that is the official website for Xampp. Now I'll click on it. Here is the website and here we have the Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux, Xampp for Mac OS. So here I'll click for Windows because I am showing you in Windows, so it will download the exe file. It's downloading now and the download is complete now. So here I'll click and go here and double click on this, so it will open the installation. So it's asking me to continue, so click on yes and okay. So go next and here we have the modules. Apache is by default enabled and here we have MySQL. We don't need other modules, we can uncheck this. Click on the next button and currently I have Xampp installed in my C drive, so I'll choose another drive and create a new folder, Xampp, and then I'll select the folder. Here I will select the folder Xampp. So clicking on next and English, and now we don't need this and go next, and it's installing the software. Installation is in progress. I'll get back to you when the progress bar is complete. About to complete now, so it's allowing access, so I'll give access. So the installation is complete. Clicking on the finish button, so this is installed. Now I'll check in the drive. So this is Xampp and here we have the installation folder and here we have the htdocs folder. Keep in mind about this folder, we will work inside this folder only. Apache is installed and MySQL is also installed. Click on the start button and here we have the Xampp control panel. Click on this and this is the main control panel where we are going to enable Apache and MySQL. The Apache module will create a web server in your computer and MySQL module for MySQL database. So currently I'll click on the start button and the Apache will run. Now we are inside the htdocs folder under Xampp. So here we will have different project folder. So first of all I will create a project folder named project1. Now inside this I will create PHP file, index.php, asking me to override the extension. So clicking yes, so the PHP file created. Now I'll open this and run a PHP code, hi, and save this. And now since the Apache is on, my localhost will run, so I'll open localhost / project1 and hit enter. So here we have the text that I have displayed here. So the Xampp is installed successfully and all of the project folders will be placed under the htdocs folder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and please hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you.